Good afternoon, guys. Today is February 15. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung last kong vlog. But, yeah, today is February 15. Nakabra lang ako kasi nubad ko yung damit ko kasi may ginagawa tayong pagluluto. Ayan. Piniprito ko yung tira naming, strip. Yung chicken strip. Kasi, masisira to sa fridge pag hindi ko niluto. Kasi alis kami, guys. Punta kami ng Allendale. Hindi sana ako sasama. Kasi sabi ni Jan, sama kami nila Sak. So, ayan, sama tayo. Then, si Jan pumunta na sa school. Sa school ng mga bata para pick upin silang early. 2:30 yung pick up ni Jan. Pinaalam na sila sa school. So, habang nandun sila, sabi ko, lutuin ko na to. Kasi ready naman ako eh. Nakapack na tayo. Tapos, yeah, isusuot ko na lang yung damit ko. Nakaano na ako, guys. Nakabis. Ayun yung damit ko. Nakasampay doon. Sabi ko, para hindi siya mangamoy na chicken or prito, hubarin ko muna siya. So, yun, guys. Hindi ko alam kung kailan yung last vlog ko. Yung vlog ko yata, yung nag-grocery kami ni Sak, nung pinick up ko sila sa school. Dahil may dancing lesson din si Holly. So, yun. Yun yata yung last vlog ko. Tapos, eto na yung next. Masasayang kasi ito kung masak sa fridge. Kasi, uwi kami, Sunday ng gabi ata. So, ngayon is Thursday. Ay, kulutuin ko na lang ito. Okay, hintayin natin yung mga bata. Kasi yung mga bata, naligo naman sila pero hindi na yung maliligo pag dating kasi. Sabi ni Jan, we have to go pag change ng mga bata. Pag nagpalit na sila ng damit ba. So, tapos na ako mag-prito, guys. Ang taas nyo. Kasi ba makita yung bra ko. Ayan. And meron pa dito. So, ayan yung una nating naluto. And ito yung bagong luto. Chicken wrap style. Kasi meron ako ditong ready na lettuce na guys, yung meron yung parang ganito kalalaki and meron din yung parang shredded na. So, and eto meron tayong sour cream and garlic, truffle oil. Basta yan. So, yan yung papakain ko sa mga bata mamaya pag nagutom sila. Naglagay rin yung carrot tsaka cucumber kasi meron pa tayo. Naririnig ko na sila. Then cheese, ayan, nandito na sila, guys. Tamang-tama. You ready? Yes, I'm ready. I am ready. Hi. Is that what you're wearing? Yes, bra only. How are you? Good, Mom. Okay, get changed while I'm making your... Hi, Baba. Hurry up.
Are you wearing that?
Yes.
That?
Yes.
That?
Yes, it's too hot, so I'm wearing my...
You think it's hot out there?
Yeah. See ya. Hi.
See ya, hi.
I know. Come on, Kuya.
What is it? Fried chicken.
Yeah.
Is that for the board?
Yeah, okay. Change now while I'm making your chicken wraps. So, ayan na, guys, yung itsura niya sa loob. Naglagay na tayong cheese, then i-roll ko na lang to. So, ayan na yung wrap. Oops, natanggal. Hindi dumidikit yung aking sticker ngayon, ha? So, ito na yung ating wrap, guys. Kaso, hindi dumidikit yung aking, hati. Ayan, okay na. Ito lang na isa. So, hatiin ko to sa dalawa. Then, ilalagay ko dito sa paper bag na yan. So, ito na siya, guys. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Okay. So, ayan na yung chicken wraps. And meron pa tayo ditong chicken strips. So, yan. Mag-base na ako. Now, this is yours. Parang wala na may lalagay sa...
Sweet chili sauce.
Oh, I forgot yours. I put mine.
Can I have yours?
No.
Okay,
Sa akin kasi may sweet chili sauce yung akin. Gusto rin pala ni Sak, nakalimutan ko. And meron tayong Toblerone. Ayan, tingnan yung baonan namin. Baonan pala to ni Kuya. Ayan. And Gucciron. And nag-spray ako sa buko ng yung hair mist ni Ana Magkawas. Available din yun sa aking live selling, guys. Holy Mom style. And meron tayong caramel puff na movie. So, yan yung aming bowl. And meron ako ditong, hindi na to yung laman nito, guys. Yung nuts na to. So, yan. And meron ako ditong freshies na melon. Oh, yan. Adelaide. May golf kasi si Kuya sa Adelaide sa Saturday. Oh, look at that car, Han. Okay. How is it, Zach?
Huh?
Good? How about you? Yeah, you want one now?
Did you make me?
Yeah. You want one?
Yeah.
You want now? Okay.
Wait, so you did make me.
Oh, yeah, I did. For everyone.
I'm still having coffee.
Yeah. Ayan sa'yo. Oh, di ba? That's your snack. Yung nandito sa akin. Yeah, I have another one here if you want more. Yeah, small. I have one more here for you if you want more. Oh, yeah. Enjoy. O, diba? Buti na lang naisip kong lutuin yun. Okay, guys. Guys, dito na pala kami sa Kinaupi. Sak! Nag-stretch lang sila.
Hey, Mom.
Hi. Ayan si Holly tsaka si daddy niya. Iyakap na naman. Iyakap na naman to.
Are you getting anything?
No, because I have the chicken here.
Diet? Wait, don't you have wrap?
Yeah. Yeah, well. Si Kuya gusto niya. Kakain kami sa Taliban. Kuha siya ng takis. Si Kuya, kuha siya yung...
So cold.
What do you call that? The walking box.
I think I'm gonna get the... I told you you should have brought a jumper.
Why? I don't have a
Feel
jumper.
it.
Oh, yeah, a bit cold. No, I don't have jumper.
Can we shut the door?
Because daddy said it's gonna be really hot.
Yeah, I'll be back. Just wait.
Alright.
Oh. Can I watch Netflix?
No, I am flat. Almost flat.
Put it here.
It's almost flat. Where's the other phone? Here. No, what are you watching?
Here, Mum.
What are you? No, it's alright. What are you watching?
Eli. Eli.
Eli.
And I walked in his bed. Ashley. I don't have data though.
Connect it to my
I can't.
iPhone. Because it's off. You have to turn it on the Wi-Fi. Then iPhone 2.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, yeah.
But then how do I hear
What time
it?
is it? 6, ano na guys? 7:49 na guys.
Can you
Oh,
Bluetooth
7:40. Ang daming work,
No,
ano.
if I turn it, Mum, what if
Road work.
can I turn off the AirPods?
Yeah, turn it off.
Where? On Bluetooth on?
Don't turn off the Bluetooth because you're not gonna be able to connect to my Wi-Fi.
How do you... Oh, AirPods. What happened to the music?
No, it's not
I
gonna be
can't hear
connected
it
because
anymore.
I turn it down, Kuya. It's alright because I'm using the.
Let me see.
Ayan siya.
Here it is. Oh, you
Okay.
use charger.
Alright, so maya-maya kakain na kami ng dinner. I love you too.
Love you, Mum.
Love you too.
Be careful, the cord's down on the bottom.
Tingnan niyo si Holly.
Mum, where did it go?
Oh, I won't need it. Dinner time. Dito tayo magdi-dinner. Wala.
Well, now you're talking about
Yeah, what do you want? What? You're tired?
No, you got that one you said.
Yeah, what do you want? What daddy wants? Okay, tayo na muna. Ito yung gusto ni Kuya dito. Oh, yan. Yang Chinese dito. Yeah. I'm not sure. I forgot. It was... What? Oh, parang sarap din ito. What is it? Nasi goreng. Okay. Naghanap siya ng Takis. Ay, wala ng Krispy Kreme. Meron pa ba? Ay, wala na. Ubus na. Do you still have Krispy Kreme? No more? Oh, wala na. Sayang. Ay. Nasaan na si Saki? Ano? Gustong-gusto niya yung Takis na yan. Which one? Red or blue? 2 for $11.99. So $12. So which one? Hurry up. There's no more choices. There's only 2 there. Come on. I don't know. If you're the one gonna eat it.
I'll wait it.
Alright. So ako ng banana bread. So ito yung kinuha ni Sak. Kumukuha lang yung lalaki ng banana bread. Thank you. Kanina pa sila doon kumakain. Ako hinihintay ko pa yung order ko. Ito yung atin. Yung kinuha ko is yung pulled pork Angus. Medyo matagal pa. Ata. Yung nasa gitna ang in-order ko, guys. Pulled pork Angus. Ayan. Meron tayong regular Coke. Oh, mali. Sinishare ni Kuya sa mga bata. Can I try? Try ko lang.
A bit hot.
Nice. Masarap. Laki nito. Parang laki. Ang laki niya. Yeah.
What's that? Angus.
Yeah. Pulled pork.
Oh. Tiny burger.
Yeah. That one. Yeah, it's back. It's been a while. Binalik nila ulit. Masarap.
Don't like the bun.
They don't like the bun. Ayaw ni Sak yung ano. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Sarap. Natikman na namin to before, right? Yeah? We had this before a long time ago. Binalik nila ulit. Sarap. Pina-upsize ko yung chips. Kasi, flat daw yung Coke. Ha?
I want these. That's why
Wala silang ketchup.
I'm not going to get granola.
Ha?
I'm going to get Fanta.
Fanta. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Parang vanilla nga. Ang galing ni Sak. Ang galing ni Sak. Sabi ni Kuya flat ko.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Where's the receipt? Where's the receipt? It's not in here.
I know, I left it down. Why?
Because I want to see if it's vanilla. I think it does. Yeah,
Si Holly tsaka si Jan nasa car na. How about you, Sak? Kumain siya, diba? Kanina?
I should have this tomorrow morning. No, you have any rest.
No. It's not gonna be good. Ang sarap. Or baka gutom lang ako. Where's Holly? After he went... Dito ko si Jam. Napumunta sa car. It's up to my ketchup. Where's Holly? Yeah. They're in the car. Reflection. Akala ko papunta doon si Jan. Andun pa si Jan. Reflection dito. I thought Jan was walking side to the car. Kasi sa kinakain niya yung pagkain kuya. Hindi naman kasi maubos ni Kuya madali. Si Holly, may kinuha siyang lolly.
I got sour and straight sour.
Malolobat na ito, mamamatay na yan. Kasi namatay na siya once. I thought you went to the car. I saw you walking there. It was the reflection of this window. No.
Mom, they're not sour. Like just ready, Mom? Oh, my
No, I don't want it. Give it to Shop.
Alright, ready, Mom? These are the type of fry.
Mini one. Para siyang
And
dilimon.
then green.
Para siyang dilimon. Sino mga taga Bicol? Para siyang dilimon. Hoy, langaw.
Now, guys, what's my next? It says...
Hurry up, it's gonna crack. See you later, guys. Wala na, pa-flash na siya. Sar?
I can handle it.
Ubus ko na, oh. Ayan na sila.
Mama, you want to walk in your box?
Okay na siya.
Mom, right here. Extreme sour.
Galing niya magbasa.
Green apple.
Takes phone calls from people around the country.
Is it that?
Road work. Ayan. Malapit na tayo sa tunnel. Ayan na. May pailaw na yung tunnel nila. Dito tayo sa ano. Ito dapat yung exit. Pero dito tayo papasok. Kasi ayan may ginagawa sila doon.
Looking at that fog on this side of the tunnel.
Palabas dapat to ng Adelaide. Pero dito tayo pumasok, papasok sa Adelaide. Ginagawa yung kabila.
It's on the other side, Bob.
Nasa, guys, dito na pala kami. Dito pala kami, hindi ko nabanggit sa inyo. Dito kami kila Race matutulog. Alas 10 na, guys. Okay. Pasok na muna kami. As in, sorry, Ayla, tulog na. Nakatulog siya, guys. Pinatulog yung bata. Siyang natulog, pinatulog siya ng mga bata. Nandiyan na.
So we'll keep it up there so it's all charged for you.
Kaya to. Umiiyak kay mami. Tapos tingnan ko na kay Tito dyan. Kahit yung mata niya pikit pa din. Pumunta kay... Ay, wala na.
You sleep in Tito John's bed.
Tay, umiiyak pa siya. Guys, dito na pala tayo sa bathroom. Maghihilamos na ako. Anong oras niya? 12:40 na, guys. Kaakyat lang namin si Ayla nagising din. So, yeah, yun na yung vlog natin for today, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on our next vlog. Ang lakas ng hangin. Nalilinig niyo. Okay, good night, guys.
'Cause I think I do want you next to me.